Ever wondered why some gamers react faster while others miss the easiest shots? Today, we're diving into gaming mouses that can seriously upgrade your aim, comfort, and speed. Welcome back to the channel. I picked top options worth your attention. Check the links in the description if one feels perfect for you. The first on the list is Razer Basilisk V3 Pro 35K. The truth hits fast. One missed flick can cost the whole match, and sometimes the mouse, not your skill, is the reason. Meet Razer Basilisk V3 Pro 35K wireless gaming mouse, built for players tired of delay, awkward grips, and limited controls. Its 35K optical sensor tracks with extreme precision, while hyperspeed wireless keeps movement sharp and clean. First touch matters. The ergonomic right-handed shape feels secure during long sessions, and the thumb rest reduces strain when games get intense. 11 programmable buttons mean faster access to builds, skills, or macros without fumbling through keys. Then comes the wheel. Hyperscroll switches between tactile steps and free spin speed, which feels brilliant for both gaming and daily work. That dual-purpose value is where this mouse quietly wins. Honest downside? At around 112 grams, it's heavier than ultralight esports mice. If you only play competitive FPS, something like Logitech G502 X Superlight may feel faster in hand. But if you play mixed genres, stream, edit, and multitask, Basilisk offers more versatility. Who should buy it? Gamers who want premium control, comfort, and one mouse that handles everything. This isn't just gear. It feels like finally removing the excuse between you and better gameplay. The second on the list is Logitech G502 X Lightspeed. A single slow click can ruin a perfect play, and that frustration is exactly where the Logitech G502 X Lightspeed wireless gaming mouse steps in. Built for gamers who want speed without losing control, it blends precision, comfort, and serious utility in one familiar shape. The hero sensor feels sharp and dependable, while Lightspeed Wireless keeps every movement fast and clean. Its ergonomic body supports long sessions, so your hand feels ready instead of tired. Many buyers worry about heavy mice, delayed wireless response, or buttons that feel pointless. This model solves that with a lighter redesign, responsive Lightforce hybrid switches, and programmable controls that actually help in real matches. Great for FPS, MMOs, creators, and multitaskers who need extra commands close by. Honest downside? It's still larger than minimalist esports mice, and premium pricing can sting. If you prefer ultralight movement, something like the Logitech G502 X Superlight may suit you better. But if features matter more than shaving grams, this mouse feels like money spent wisely. When your gear finally matches your ambition, every click feels different. The third on the list is Logitech G502 X Superlight wireless gaming mouse. Some mice feel fast on paper, but slow in your hand. The Logitech G502 X Superlight wireless gaming mouse was built to erase that gap. At under 63 grams, it moves with almost no resistance, giving quick flicks and cleaner tracking when every second matters. Its Hero 25K sensor stays sharp and stable, while Lightspeed Wireless delivers the kind of response competitive players demand. Many buyers fear one thing: paying premium money and still fighting weight, drag, or awkward shape. This mouse solves that with a clean, symmetrical body that disappears in the hand during long sessions. Less strain, more control, more focus when pressure rises. Who should buy it? FPS players, esports grinders, and anyone chasing effortless movement. If you love extra buttons for MMOs or productivity, the Logitech G502 X Lightspeed may fit better. If you want raw agility, this is the smarter lane. Honest downside? No RGB, only 5 buttons, and premium pricing. But once it glides across your pad, those complaints get quieter. Sometimes the real upgrade isn't power, it's feeling nothing hold you back. Fourth on the list is Razer DeathAdder V4 Pro. The cruel truth of ranked matches? Sometimes your hand is ready, but your mouse is not. The Razer DeathAdder V4 Pro wireless gaming mouse is built for players tired of drag, delay, and hand fatigue stealing momentum. At around 56 grams, it feels startlingly light, letting fast swipes happen naturally instead of feeling forced. Its Focus Pro 45K sensor tracks with elite precision, while 8,000 Hz polling pushes response speed into serious territory. Then comes comfort. The legendary ergonomic shape fits right-handed users beautifully, especially palm and claw grip players. Long sessions feel smoother, calmer, easier. That matters more than flashy specs most people never notice. Real concern before buying? Many gamers fear premium mice are overpriced upgrades with tiny gains. Here, the difference shows in movement, click feel, and lower fatigue. You feel it daily, not just on paper. Honest downside? It has fewer side buttons than feature-heavy options like the Razer Basilisk V3 Pro, and the price sits high. If you need macros or productivity controls, Basilisk may suit you better. If you chase clean, competitive performance, this is the sharper tool. Who should buy it? FPS grinders, serious competitors, and anyone wanting comfort without compromise. Some gear looks premium. This one earns its place the moment your aim starts breathing easier. The last on the list is Redragon M913 Impact Elite. Some wins begin before the match even starts, when every command is already under your thumb. The Redragon M913 Impact Elite wireless gaming mouse is built for players tired of reaching across the keyboard, missing abilities, or paying premium prices for MMO control. With 12 side buttons and multiple programmable commands, it turns chaos into smooth execution. Your spells, macros, and shortcuts stay one tap away. Then comes freedom. Dual connectivity lets you play wireless or plug in with USB-C when needed. The ergonomic right-handed shape feels supportive during long raids, grinding sessions, or work tasks that need fast shortcuts. That mix of gaming and productivity is where this mouse earns real value. Honest downside? It's heavy compared to lightweight FPS mice, and click latency isn't ideal for ultra-competitive shooters. If you mainly play fast tactical games, a Logitech G Pro X Superlight may feel sharper. But for MMO, MOBA, and macro-heavy players, this delivers more tools for less money. Who should buy it? Gamers who want plenty of buttons, wireless convenience, and relief from overpriced options. Sometimes the smartest upgrade isn't flashy. It simply makes everything easier. And there you have it. The top gaming mice that can change the way you play, click, and win. If one of these feels like your next upgrade, grab it through the links in the description. Thanks for watching. And remember, sometimes one better click changes everything. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.